At Sydney's crowded urban beaches, surfers spend a lazy morning hoping to get a few good rides. But Richie Vasulik of Maroubra and star of the new feature film Fighting Fear will go to much greater lengths. He'll travel up to 16 hours to reach his favourite wave, a dangerous break in Western Australia known as the Right.
And then from there we put the skis in the water and it's about a half an hour drive out in the ocean until we get to the wave. So it's a bit of a mission to get out there, but it's one of the best big waves in the world. So if you can sort of do everything right and the forecast does what it says, you can have the best surfs of your life out there.
Since ideal conditions occur so rarely, surfers rely on scientists like Scott Peake to pinpoint the perfect wave.
So when we're looking for big waves around the ocean, we're looking for three things. Firstly, some big ocean swells, and fortunately there are accurate wave models these days that will model the generation and propagation of these waves. The second thing we're looking for is underwater bathymetric features, and fortunately these days we can quite accurately measure the sea floor from satellites. And the last thing, the wind has a large effect on the shape and the surfability of the wave.
So why is the spot called the Right in WA such a good big wave surfing location?
Well, it's unique amongst big waves in that its shape is less of a large wave in terms of vertical height and more of what they call a slab wave.
Editor of Traps magazine Luke Kennedy explains what it takes to ride these powerful waves.
If you talk to someone like Mark Matthews or Greg Long, they'll freely admit that fear plays a big part in what they do, and they're actually very calculated about the risks they take.
Across the world's oceans, there are many waves that have never been seen or surfed, but new research and scientific data will help surfers find more and more of these dangerous and exciting locations.